Hey everyone. So let's talk about bed in a box industry. Today I want to share with you a specific account of ours which talks about bed in a box industry. However, I would like to give a specific example of an Indian client who is into bed in a box industry. Now, the bed in a box industry has caught attention of everyone. You would see so many competitors coming in the industry, yet it is very profitable because of the fact that there are no showroom cost. There is enough margins available in the market, which helps in basically making the business profitable from day one, right? So that's the biggest thing. So this client of ours, this is the top of the funnel campaign that I'm trying to show to you. So if you see, these are all the top of the funnel campaigns, right? Version 3 top funnel, version 1 top funnel, version 4 top funnel. In a top funnel campaign, in just 1 month, here if you see the month, we have got in and around in between 3.5 on an average X in result ROI for the two performing ad ad copies. The biggest reason with such kind of result is that the targeting should be very precise. So for him, we made use of the right interest and behavior groups, right city states, understanding the market in order to push the ad budget towards those particular interests in behavior. Now, CBO campaigns are working out really well for us. CBO campaigns, along with different bid strategies, is working out very well. We have also made use of uh, open CBO campaigns, which means that we have not restricted the bid in terms of the amount of cost of conversion that we want to have. However, in some of the campaigns, we have tested an alternate strategy with a bid cap. With respect to everything, if a top of the funnel campaign is giving me a 3.1x return or a 3.5x return on average, like our total top funnel campaigns are providing us with a 3.5x returns on average. So the middle funnel and the lower funnel are at 5x, which basically means that the bed in a box industry is very profitable. Like this trend was basically started by or is still crazy in states and other countries, including some of the leading brands like Casper, Purple, and others. However, this trend has caught up with like all the countries now. Now, I tend to get so many requests about this particular business, and I see that if it is done properly, you can really be profitable from day 1, day 7, day 15. It's just about making use of the right creative, making use of the right bid strategy with and right campaign type, again conversion based campaign, CBO based campaign, couple of engagement campaigns, couple of omnipresence campaigns, couple of trying to get the social proofs into place, couple of reviews, like all that stuff. If it is done properly, you can really become profitable. So this is what I wanted to share with all of you today. In case you have any questions, please let me know. And thank you, Rahul Takkar from Mr. Sub signing off. Bye bye.